Hello everyone, welcome back to Be10x channel. Today we are going to see another debugging tool called Debug Code.ai. Okay, so in case if you have encountered any issues or problem in your code, you just need to copy the code and copy the error message, and you should paste it in the Debug Code.ai, and you must ask the queries, whatever queries you are facing, and it will give you the solution. Okay, it's like a cut copy paste method. So helpful. Let's see into it. Okay.
चैट जीपीटी सीखना है, आ जाओ सिखा दूंगा। प्रेजेंटेशन 2 मिनट में बनाना है, आ जाओ सिखा दूंगा। एआई टूल सीखना है, आ जाओ बॉस, वो भी सिखा दूंगा। 2 आवर्स की वर्कशॉप में इरिप्लेसेबल बना दूंगा।
So this is the code debug. Okay. It's called as debug code.ai. Okay. So I have one program. Okay. This is the Python program. I have created a simple calculator. Okay. Like it should accept two numbers from the user and it should calculate addition, subtraction, whatever I want. Okay. So here is the code. Okay. So first I will execute properly and then I will make it some issues. Okay. And then this debug code.ai should solve the problem. Okay. Okay, so it is asking add, subtract, multiply, and divide. If you look into this code, so I am giving for addition. Okay, first is addition, this number. Okay, input the number here as per the thing, it is add. Okay, then it is asking the first number. I am giving 10. The next number, it is giving 20. Okay, so yeah, the answer is 30. Okay, so before entering into this code, guys, one important update I want to let you know. Okay, so just hold. Okay, so as you all aware that AI is taking over the world in such short span of time, we have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI, and you don't want to get affected by this recession wave. So AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will replace your job. If you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3 hours AI tools workshop, in which we will teach you about the best AI tools to upskill, increase your productivity, and enhance your career. Okay, so make your future secure with us. Join our workshop by clicking the link below in the description. Okay, so here will be the link. Okay, go to that Be10x. If you go to the Be10x.in, you will land up in this page. Go down and okay, here are the AI tools. Click into this and you can see the next upcoming workshop, and you can see the testimonials, reviews, and why join this course, and all the details are there. Okay, so don't miss to join this workshop, guys. Okay, now let's go back to the code. So now it has come properly. Okay, so now again I am executing this code. Okay, oh sorry. Okay, I'm giving the same. It will come properly. Okay, so 10 minus 2 is 8. Now what I will do, now I'm not keeping this variable. Okay, I'm removing this number 2. Okay, so it should give me error. Okay, because there should be a variable to hold or any other error. Okay, for time being I am keeping this number 2 for easy representation. Okay, now I'm executing this, so we got this error. Okay, it is like indentation error. Okay, so I am taking this, copying this code, going to this debug code.ai. Okay, here there will be 3 panes. Okay, so I'm just giving a name first, test.py, since it is Python program. Okay, and it is giving waiting for file name at the top like that. Okay, so here is the issue that we need to, because it is giving debug, right? I need to paste the issue over here and I'll be giving the code. Okay, the code will be here, right? Just copying. It's not. It's not copied properly. Just hold. Okay. Yeah, we have, and this is the thing, right? We didn't the number one is here, the variable we have removed. Okay, so here is the code. Okay, I'm clicking this button, debug dot. Okay, so here on the left hand side you can see, okay, it is giving the whatever code that is present. It looks like you have, this is the actual code what we have inputted. Okay, and this will be the code that has been corrected. Okay, and this is the number 2. Okay, it is giving, right, it looks like you have indentation error in your code. The line is equal to, seems to be causing the issue. Also there is a typo in the variable number 2. Okay, so this is the one. Here is the corrected code. Okay, so it is giving, this is the corrected code, like that. Okay, so yeah, I should take this number 2. Okay, I'll go over here. So now, okay, this is the actual thing. Now if we execute, it will give the, yeah, again it is asking. Okay, so I'm giving 3. I'm giving, it is a multiplication, right? 3 means I'm giving the first number is 3 and the second number is 2. Okay, so 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So this is the way, guys, that we need to look into our debugging. Okay, so the first part, it is given the what code we faced issue. Okay, and the second part, it has given its solution. Okay, it looks like you have indentation error, like that. Okay, so we look another one more thing. It's a small thing. Okay, and see, for this is the second program. Okay, I have given a Python program to sort a list of numbers in ascending order. Okay, so if I execute this code, it has correctly, okay, it has sorted the list and it has given the output. Okay, now what I'm doing, I'm removing this sort part. Okay, so then the code will work. Okay, because, but it won't be sorted. Enter the number separated by comma, that is the input. Okay, so take the input from the user. It has given enter the number separated by comma. I am giving 6 comma 9 comma 2 comma 5. Okay, so now I'm pressing enter. It is not the right now, guys. Okay, because sorted list should be 2 5 6 9, right? Okay, so what I am doing, I am taking this code, cell, I'm going to this part. Okay, and reload the session. I'm giving proceed. Again, some other name. Okay, txt.py. Since it is a Python code, I'm giving like that. Okay, and we are pasting this. Okay, and I am saying that I am giving the code. The code is not giving the output in sorted order ascending. Sorted order ascending. Correct the code. So the code is not giving the output in sorted or ascending. Correct the code. So this is our code. Okay, and sure, I can help you. The Python to sort the, this should sort the this should now sort the list in orders and descending order. Sure, I can help. Here is the corrected one. Okay, and so it has given. Okay, sort the list in the ascending order. Earlier we removed that sort. Now it has added. Okay, so if we give that this part over here, it will be fine. Okay, because this is the purposely I removed it, right? Like dot. Now if I execute, it will work. 5 comma 6 comma 2 comma 3 comma 8, sorry, 5 comma 6 comma 9 comma 2 comma 1 comma 4. So now it has done properly 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 9. Yeah, now it has done the sort order. So this is the best tool, guys. So I hope you liked the session and I hope you enjoyed it. Take care. Bye bye. See you again later.